Welcome to Lion Light Meditations. As Eckhart Tolle said, gratitude for the present moment and the fullness of life now is true prosperity. Stress is caused by your body being here and your mind being there. This disconnection is what tears us apart inside. We spend too much of our lives in our minds, reenacting the past or trying to predict the future. But all of these are mind projections. The past and the future are not real. They are simply perceptions. To live in the here and now is the only real way to live. So as you settle into your seat or a laying down position, close your eyes and really connect to your sense of being. Notice the natural rhythm of your breath, feeling the breath in your body as you inhale to fill your chest and your belly. The feeling of your exhale as you soften and sink. Notice the spaces between each breath. The feeling of the flow of oxygen through your entire body. Begin to deepen your breath, sending oxygen all the way into your toes. Feel the expansion in your body. And on your exhale, release. Feel a weightlessness as you let go. Inhale, create space. And exhale, let go. A deep belly breath in. And a cleansing breath out. There is nothing you can do to change or recreate the past. The only way to change the past is to change your perspective on it. I encourage you to leave the contents of the past behind and take with you only the lessons. Imagine yourself standing on a dock at sea. Put anything from your past that you were holding onto a sailboat. Any experiences, thoughts, feelings, emotions, even the person you used to be. Put anything that no longer serves you onto this sailboat. With a deep breath, fill yourself with gratitude. Thank these parts for the lessons they have given you. And let your exhale be the wind to the sails that sets these parts free. Watch them float into the sea, becoming smaller and smaller as they float into the distance. How does it feel to wave them goodbye? Sometimes our minds become obsessed with the future. Whether we are daydreaming to escape our present suffering, or we are trying to prepare for an infinite amount of possibilities. Both are exhausting and fruitless. Can an anxious thought add a single day to your life? Worrying does not take away tomorrow's troubles. It takes away today's peace. When you become familiar with the unknown, you will see that the path of least resistance is through. There is freedom in knowing that so much is out of our control, that our only responsibility is to experience life in the here and now. Embrace the unknown. Surrender to it. With a deep breath in, create a safe space for your future self to rest. Tell them you will be okay, and they can sleep peacefully on a big, fluffy cloud. On your exhales, blow this cloud away and watch it float into the distance. The here and now is the only place you are alive. Notice the tiny sensations in your body. The feeling of gravity as you are being pulled close to the earth. The feeling of gravity as it grounds you to this earth. Bring awareness to your breath. Feel the air travel through your nose, your chest, your belly. Feel the rise and fall of your body with every breath. Imagine oxygen touching every cell, bringing it to life. Connect to your breath, your life force. Now connect to your heart center. Feel your heart beating in your chest, sending electrical currents throughout your entire body. Notice it in your fingers and in your toes. This is your source of power, your center of love and compassion. With every beat, let a light of love pulse through your body. Forgive yourself for the person you used to be. Please don't wait to love yourself in the future. Love yourself for who you are right now. You are already whole. You are more than enough. You are human. Let every heartbeat be a reminder that you are alive, that you are powerful. Now connect to your being. Let go of labels, expectations, desires, any category you've placed yourself in. Allow yourself to simply be. Give yourself permission to just exist, like an orb floating through space. You are light. You are free. Remember that the most powerful place to be is in the present. When you find yourself living anywhere but here, come back to your breath. Come back to your body. I hope you have peace of mind. Speak words of kindness and act with intention. With love and light, Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti.